If you're in the market for an enclosed mobility scooter, you have to look at the Enza. RideTheWindEbikes is the biggest store with the biggest selection of enclosed mobility scooters, and this is the one of our premier products. Evoque's been in business for a number of years now. We've been with them since 2022. These landed about 6 weeks ago, and they're flying out the door, and for very, very good reasons. It's the size of them, it's the features, and it's the way that they ride. And you got to come down to RideTheWindEbikes if you would like to test drive them. We've got them. But here are all three colors. So just very simple. If you want something really bright, you go with the Alice Blue. I've got the pure white, and I really like the tone of the gray in this one. So this unit comes standard with AC, heat, steering wheel, power windows, power locks, disc brakes, 12-inch tires, all of that you would ever want. There's nothing missing from these, and they are so roomy, and the visibility of them is incredible. Let's do a walkthrough. Let's look at these and see why you would want this. You're going to compare this to the Spark that we have, the Connect Plus, the Boomer Buggy X, and then we've got some Nexas. But this one seems to encompass all of what the other ones lack, right? Very clean, sleek design. I do find that some of the other models offered from other competitors aren't as smooth and clean, and I'll tell you why. Like if we look at the Spark over here, but it doesn't have the cleanest finish on the outside or the interior, and that's where the Enza shines. But look at the quality of the interior, the fit and finish. It's simple, it's user-friendly, and when I say space, I mean space like all around, and that's what the Enza has. It has ample headroom, has ample elbow space, like my elbows don't even touch. Now this is the seat all the way back, but you've got the space in the rear for the passenger. They don't lack any head space as well. You could fit two people depending on their size, and there's not so much going on. It just gets right to the point, right? So here's how you start it. You put your foot on the brake. It's got a really nice sound, and then once you do that, screen pops up, and it's also an upgraded, nice, simple display. Your voltage is very visible, and that's what you really want to look at in the screen. Sometimes they have the voltage and it's so small and it's hard to see. This one, they've done it exactly the way it should be. I want to know my voltage, I want to know my speed, and I want to know what gear I'm in. And that's what it does. It also doesn't glare off the sun. They've put it in such a way that you will always be able to see your screen regardless of the sun position. It does have Bluetooth with speakers, so you can connect to your phone and have your music going through. You have your fan. Like again, this is very simple. You have your fan, and once you turn on your fan, you have either turn on your AC or you turn on your heat. Like how simple is that? It's just simple. It's just right to the point, simple. You've got your speakers here, you've got cup holders here, your power windows, nice and quick. Seat all the way to the front, all the way to the back. It has swivel. Your seat can't be all the way back when you use your swivel. Okay, it's got to be up there a bit, but it's really nice to have. It's the way that these handle. So when you let off the accelerator, they glide really well. And that was the first thing we all noticed about these, is that they glide well, which means you're going to get very good distance. You don't have the resistance of it slowing down, so your battery distance per charge is phenomenal. Though these come in an 80 amp or a 60 amp, so you are going to get well into the 100 kilometers per charge. There's some factors with that in hills and weight and whatnot. It's beeping at me. I'm going to put you into drive. Thank you. The other beautiful thing that these have are an onboard charger. There is a super heavy duty 8-gauge wire to charge. So there's no box in between. So when we're charging the other ones, you don't want the box for your charger to obviously get wet or be in the direct sun in the heat. So you don't need to worry about that with the Enza. It's a nice, secure insert. I don't know, it's just easy, right? You don't have to bend down, you just plug it in, and then you plug it into the wall. If this doesn't reach your outlet, that's okay. Get an extension cord, but make sure it's this nice thick gauge. Don't go cheap on that. The quality of like the emblems that they put on here is just, it's just that thoughtfulness. Your lights, although they look small, are very bright at night. Your rear window opens if you'd like to have some more ventilation. Your mirrors fold as well. Of course, you have your signals, and then you have your windshield wipers. And these are also a very nice and thoughtful design because they come right to the top. So it's got a nice, sometimes the wipers are smaller, so you lose your view. Nice closing of the door. It's all flat. The seams are nice and close and tight. Parts are never ever an issue. If you've watched our video of the warehouse at Evoque, they are stacked and ready. This is a premier company, I'm telling you. They are going places, and we're so happy to be a dealer for them. So we ship across Canada. The other beautiful thing is that these can go on the back of a truck, goes on the tailgate, lowers down, roll it off the pallet, and it's ready to go. So beautiful. Hello, all the provinces. We can send to you, no problem. Some of the other units are too big and we just simply can't ship them. What are the reasons for you to get an Enza? Is it the cheapest? No. Is it the most expensive? No. It is that perfect combination of all of the options on the market right now put into one, and that's why you want to go with these. And they're cute. They're super cute. There's your Enzas.